Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we'll be making a Republic Day special painting for kids. So let's begin. So we can use a canvas or a normal drawing paper for this. I'm also using this masking tape which will help the paper to stay at one place, and this is totally optional. And now let's start coloring it. You can use any color medium like watercolor or acrylic color, even oil pastels and pencil colors for making this background. Here I am preparing my color mix, for which I require a palette and water. We'll also keep a tissue paper ready. Now add water to the color and start coloring it. Also add darker tones on the top. Now use a tissue paper for creating this texture on the background. Now take a small flat brush and dip it in water and clean the ends. We want a gradient effect on the background. Repeat the steps for the bottom color as well. And now let it dry naturally or use a hair dryer. And use a pencil to draw a rough design on the background. And now let's color it by using black color. Add water to the color mix for easy movement of the brush. To make it easy, you can always use a marker pen or a fine liner for making designs. And yes, if you don't wish to follow this Republic Day theme, then you can change the background color to your choice and use this painting design as a symbol of freedom and peace. I hope you liked today's video, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.